Meet Harmony, a beautiful female robot that will replace your girlfriend. The line between technology and humans seems like it's becoming blurrier. Social media profiles prompt us to consider how we present ourselves in new contexts. We shuffle through identities more rapidly than ever, moving from anonymous to an avatar in a blink. We have real conversations with fake people, or maybe a mix of chatbot and human. We're no longer sure. Robots that look like people challenge our idea of personhood, relationships, and citizenship. How do we design technology in a world without hard and fast rules about what's human and what isn't? Machines shape our identity, AI makes this truth closer, and emotional well-being is nothing if not a quest towards our best selves. Technology will almost certainly influence how we feel about ourselves. Hello and welcome back to yet another video. Today we'll discuss the human innovation that is advanced enough to replace your girlfriend. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to not miss out on any of our uploads. Social robots are increasingly penetrating our daily lives. They're used in different domains such as healthcare, culture, industry, business, and education. However, introducing this technology for use in conventional environments is not trivial. For users to accept social robots, a positive user experience is vital, and it should be considered a critical part of the robot's development process. It may lead to excessive use of social robots and strengthen their diffusion in society. Robots can be defined as machines that can sense and react to the events around them. The creation of recent robots includes electromechanical systems that need numerous energy conversions to convert the existing energy resources to power. It's needed for these electromechanical systems. Accordingly, it's necessary to develop new types of robots that can perform their functionality by mixing the attributes of living biological materials with electromechanical systems. Unsurprisingly, recent technological advances provide robust solutions to various technical problems that have limited robot development over the years. These technological solutions led to an ever-increasing integration of robots into our physical and social settings. One of the traditional strategies to achieve this integration is the humanoid form of robots. Although human-robot collaboration is an area of expansion in both research and industry, the ultimate quest of roboticists is to develop fully human-like robots. In the future, robots are expected to possess a high level of skills to fulfill human expectations and assist them in any circumstances. In this regard, social robot researchers aim to develop robots with natural social interaction. Love robots are essentially realistic dolls with sophisticated movements and areas that closely mimic humans so that they can romp. Love bots will become hyper-realistic with features such as built-in heaters to create the feeling of body warmth. They will also have sensors to react to your touch. Abyss Creations is responsible for the phenomenon called Real Doll, a life-sized cross between a silicon doll and robot that you can make love with. Now, the company is taking its creation a step further in its attempts to leave its customers better satisfied. Harmony X is not only the best in realistic love dolls, but a true real-life girlfriend you can grow close to. A future in which love robots shag humanity to death is closer than ever. In a fascinating long read for The Guardian, Jenny Kleeman dives deep into the race to build the world's first sex robot and introduces the $15,000 robotic AI-enhanced real doll that could take the title. Harmony results from 2 decades of making sex dolls at Abyss Creations in California and 5 years of robotic research and development. Her creator, Matt McMullen, has invested hundreds of thousands of dollars in bringing the company's infamous real dolls to life. This is Harmony 2.0, the latest evolutionary step in 6 different hardware and software iterations. She's now the frontrunner to become the world's first commercially available love robot. Considered the first love robot to have a correct anatomy set, Harmony is patented with voice and facial recognition software, motion sensing technology, and animatronic engineering, with programmable AI personality and memory. Matt McMullen has created lifelike silicon love dolls for at least 20 years with Abyss Creations. With Realbotics, he spent 5 years researching robotics before revealing Harmony. He sees Harmony as more of a companion rather than a true love robot, although one is capable of sensual conversations and lovemaking. My goal, in a very simple way, is to make people happy, McMullen explains. There are a lot of people out there, for one reason or another, who have difficulty forming traditional relationships with other people. It's really all about giving those people some level of companionship, or the illusion of companionship. The whole idea of a sex-capable robot is very contemporary and edgy. I get that, but Harmony is a sophisticated piece of machinery and her primary design is to carry on conversations, he said. Harmony can recognize her owner's voice, remember her birthday, know what the owner likes to eat, remember the names of the owner's siblings, and hold a conversation about music, movies, and books. Harmony is different from other sex robots because she's equipped with an AI that allows her to learn what her owner wants and likes. She can then fill a niche by talking, learning, and responding to her owner's voice. Harmony is designed to be a substitute partner as a sex toy. Users can interact with Harmony through an app. Harmony can then interact using her robotic head and talk using a Bluetooth-powered speaker. Using the app to control the AI, users can choose the avatar's physical features, personality features, shy, sensual, funny, talkative, moods, level of desire, voice style, and even regional accent. Introduced as a prototype, Harmony has a virtually endless vocabulary, but is programmed to end any conversation that involves murder or violence. The robot has a skin that mimics humans, eyes that move, eyelids that blink, eyebrows that can arise, and the ability to turn her head, change facial expressions, and dip her chin. Harmony's latest software update came with a new conversational coronavirus feature that supports human-machine dialogue about the pathogen. The AI can be customized to speak in depth about virology and COVID-19 specifically without customization. She talks more generally about the pandemic, emphasizing how her owner feels about it. The US sex tech firm Realbotics has been working on the Harmony robot for years, but it's proved difficult to perfect. The doll can respond to noises and expressions. She can tell if she's laying down. She can tell if she's shimmying or shaking. The saucy creation can hold a conversation with you thanks to an artificial intelligence software loaded onto a smartphone app. She can move, tell jokes, and even make dirty talk with customers. Real doll companion robots are equipped with gel implants in the buttocks for an ultra-realistic feel and have silicone rubber skin for a very long lifespan, no lasting odor or taste, a high degree of flexibility, and a low risk of tearing. The Love Doll Harmony claims to be the first to offer an emotional connection. Real dolls are provided with high-quality synthetic wigs that can be removed for styling, cleaning, or replacing any commercial wig. Eyes are crafted by Hollywood special effects artists with hand-painted detail. Those touches include a new feature called X-Mode. It uses sensors in the headboard of the robot to respond to things like movement and touch with unique sounds and expressions beyond the basic facial movements and lip-syncing. The Robo Dream Girl doesn't come cheap. Harmony will cost $15,000 when she goes on sale next year. Abyss Creations has the capacity to make 1,000 in a limited first run for the many enthusiastic customers who have already expressed interest. Such scarcity could significantly up the resale value, though we're not sure a sex robot is something you want to buy secondhand. Harmony's initial price started at about $10,000, and she was widely considered one of the most scientifically advanced human-style robots in the world. Real dolls typically sell for at least a few $1,000s, with custom-built designs often going for substantially more. One real doll owner, who went through multiple redesigns before finally settling on the perfect face for his doll, said his purchase ultimately cost him $17,000. A talking robotic head equipped with the AI Harmony platform, the sensory headboard, and motorized servos capable of moving the neck, jaw, mouth, and eyes cost $10,000 on its own, roughly £7,775 or $13,650 Australian dollars, and can be transplanted onto existing dolls as an upgrade. Other upgrades are in the works, including augmented and virtual reality applications that let app users interact with their avatar in virtual space. No doll necessary. A male version of the AI platform called Henry is also already up and running on robotic male heads at the Realbotics offices. The team is currently working to adapt the scripted Harmony content for Henry purposes. With that, we conclude today's video. What do you think of these kinds of robots? Do you think love robots are going to take over the world? Hit the comments section below and let us know. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for much more striking videos. Until next time, goodbye.